1. Get paid for your opinions. A lot of people is already making money online just by answering surveys of different topics and consumption habits. You can join them and earn those extra bucks in no. 2. Earn money for your photos. Every day thousands of people are looking for photography jobs, how to sell their photos and how to make money with their photography. This is also a great option for making extra money by selling the photos that you are already taking. 3. Video game tester job. Just like a lot of YouTubers and online influencers, you can also get paid to play video games. Gaming companies are desperate to understand what regular people like you and me think and shop when you buy video games. This helps them to improve their products and they're willing to pay a lot of money for your opinion. 4. Get paid for your writing. This is a perfect opportunity for freelance writers and just about anybody who can write that just don't have time for a commute to a dead-end, part-time job. Or, for anyone who wants to sit in their pajamas and work at home. Now you can live the laptop lifestyle and make a full-time income or make extra cash by providing written content to thousands of partners that need them for their websites, blogs, books, magazines, marketing materials and many more. 5. Make money on YouTube. There is a way to earn money on YouTube with no marketing, no videos and no website. Sounds impossible but it isn't. If you know where to look, you can choose from millions of done-for-you videos and make them yours. Use the correct recipe, and you'll be successful every single time. But, just throw a few random ingredients into a bowl and you'll simply end up with a sticky mess. And it's exactly the same with YouTube, there is a proven formula, you can pretty much guarantee success. 6. Earn money with teaching jobs. Just imagine being able to make serious money teaching, without having to leave the comfort of your home. No more daily commute, wasting precious hours stuck in traffic. Instead you operate from the comfort of your favorite couch, a cup of coffee at your elbow, while your neighbors struggle to scrape the ice of their windshields on bitter winter mornings, just so they can drive to their hated job treadmills. And, if you have the urge to travel but have never been able to spare the time for extended vacations, then you can take your laptop and carry on getting paid to teach from a tropical beach or a mountain cabin, because, with online tutoring, the world is your oyster.